Hey everybody. Tonight we're going to talk about absolute value. The absolute value of a number is the distance between that number and 0 on the number line. So if we wanted to find the absolute value of 7, and to show absolute value we'd put these little bars on either side of the number, we could look at a number line. On a number line, if we had 0, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As always, I try to keep my spaces equal. And I wanted to know how far away 7 is from 0 on the number line. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units away. So the absolute value of 7 is just 7. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say we wanted to find the absolute value of -8. So on a number line, this time I'm going to put 0 on the right because I know I'm going to have all negative numbers. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So here's where -8 is. To get to 0, I have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So the absolute value of -8 is +8. -8 is 8 units away from 0 on the number line. And the thing we're going to see with absolute values is it doesn't matter what the number is, the absolute value is always going to be positive, with one exception. Right? 5, +5 is 5 units away from 0. -2 is 2 units away from 0. -6.1 is 6.1 units away from 0, right? All of those answers give us a positive number. The only number that has a non-positive absolute value is 0, because 0 is 0 units away from itself, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. So we can say the absolute value of a number is always positive except for 0. Sometimes absolute values show up in equations. For instance, if I have the absolute value of x equals 11, and I want to know what values of x could make this statement true. And I can use some mental math to do that. Now, I know that the absolute value of whatever number is in here is going to come out to be positive. So if x equals 11, this equation is true. And if x equals -11, this equation is true. So we say that x can equal 11 or x can equal -11. There's actually 2 possible values that could make this equation true. Now, sometimes these equations can be a little more complex. I'll do this one in a different color. Let's say I have -2 plus the absolute value of x equals 7. Now, thinking about this problem, I know that -2 plus 9 equals 7, right? That's something I can figure out using mental math. So really what I'm trying to find is what value of x gives me +9. Now, I know x could be +9 because the absolute value of 9 is 9, or x could be negative 9, because the absolute value of negative 9 is positive 9. So both of these are solutions to my equation. X could equal positive 9, or x could equal negative 9. We have two solutions.